Reese's stuffed cupcakes. Mmm, that tastes good. Before we get started, smash that subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking channel. The ingredients are the Reese's stuffed cupcakes mixture, Reese's, of course, 2 eggs, ½ cup of oil, 1/4 cup of water, the cupcakes, where you put the cupcakes in, you know. The utensils are a measuring cup, a spatula, a spoon spatula, the liners, the things to put the Reese's in, and a mixing bowl to put all of the powder and the liquids in. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take the Reese's out. You're gonna need 12 of them, and we're gonna put them in the bowl. So we need 12, so I already have 3. Something more. Oops. That's on the floor, but that's okay, because it's in a wrapper. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 1 for later. Now, we're going to open the brownie mixture. I'm not good at opening boxes. There we go. Oh, that turned out pretty good. Whoa, you have to put all of this in. So you got it? So I need a cup. I'm really smart because remember when we did the gingerbread house? Flashback. We had to vacuum because I did not know that we had to put the thing, we had to hold it at the bottom at the done, when we're done, so everything went everywhere. Now we're going to pour the oil first and then the water. So do oil first. Whoa. And now the water. Wow, it's already turning dark. Now we're gonna crack the 2 eggs. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands because I don't want yolk on my hands. Now we're gonna stir this up, but be careful. So I'm just gonna do it a little bit. Like that until it gets down more, I guess. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If YouTube had the smell, well, you can smell it if you're baking it, but it smells so good. I don't want to get it over the bowl and then onto the counter because there's a lot of liquid in there and there's powder. We're almost done stirring and stirring. It's tiring. My arm is aching. Now we're gonna put the liners into the cupcake tin, or whatever you want to call it. Now that the muffin or cupcake tins are in here, we're going to use our measuring cup a little bit away, because then you're going to put the Reese's in. We're going to do a little bit because it's going to rise up. It's sinking. Okay, that's good enough. So we did the first one, and now we're going to do some more. We're almost done. Now we're gonna tap it for air bubbles. See, I think I see some. Look at my hands. They're really dirty, so I think I might have to wash them. That feels so good to get my hands washed after I was baking. Now I'm gonna unwrap the Reese's to put them in. I a mistake. So I'm gonna put it in this one. The mistake is I put 2 in there. Did I put 2 in there too? It looks like I put 2 in all of them, but I didn't know because I buried it in there. It's gonna overflow and it's gonna be a surprise for somebody who wants to eat that one. Next, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Now, we're going to bake them for 20 minutes. That's how long my sister stayed outside to put in the snow. So we're gonna come with some. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna eat a Reese's. So, it looks so yummy. Peanut butter and chocolate are my favorite. I have a little song for you guys. The best thing that could happen if you and me getting together. Bum, 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 dun, 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 bum, 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 dun, 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 I say to you, I'm stopping my feet down the park. Oh, 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 oh. Dun, 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 dun. I think we should get together. I think the best thing that can happen is you and me getting together. Dad, is that kind of my workout? Because my back really hurts from that. Come on, Cupcakes, are you done? Take these out of the oven. Kids are not allowed to do this because they're gonna burn this house. So safety first. This one looks good. Oh, that one got really hot. But don't touch them, they're really hot. I kind of want to eat that one when it's all done. You can barely see that. You can't see that one. But it's gonna be a surprise. Now we're gonna let them cool. And I'll be back later, so bye. Now that they're all cooled off, we are going to put them into this fancy container. Now that they're all on the tray, it's time to taste test one. I already got a little one. I'm gonna need a taste tester, so who should I call? Luca! Luca! Yeah? Would you like to taste test some of my cupcakes that Reese's inside? Sure.
It tastes good.
Okay, now I am going to try one. I'm trying to get the Reese's. Really good. Mama loves this bite. Look, are you even eating the wrapper?
No.
Look, what is that whip? It looks like you're eating the wrapper.
No, I'm just getting the crumbs.
How much percent is this? Well, you have to choose.
I don't have to. You can't make me.
Well, it's not that nice. Then you're not going to be a taste tester. think you like it. I hope you enjoyed baking with Serafina the Unicorn Baker. Remember, smash that thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my Unicorn Baking channel. Bye!